So over here, you can see that this is the Kimi interface. So over here on the left hand side, you got your account, and as you click on it, you get the account details, and you can access the settings of Kimi right here as well to change how the software behaves. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto the chat area right here, like new chat, you get the area where you can go ahead and simply type in a message and send. Apart from that, you can enable the thinking mode. You can enable to connect it from the web or not. You can also upload out attachments and even work around with common phrase settings right here. And of course, once you get out the results, you can see that you have an option to copy, retry, and share your content as well. And on the left hand side, you see all of the history of whatever prompts that you have. Let's say for example, you can see that I have an option to edit chat name right here and pin it to the top, delete it, and so forth. So apart from that, you can also hide the sidebar and then open up the sidebar right here, just like this. You can go ahead right here, work around with it, and then apart from that, you also have an option to edit out your chat name from over here on the top. So these are the these are the different elements of Kimi, and the interface is quite simple and straightforward. And in this tutorial series, we're going to explore each and everything that Kimi can help us to do. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe